Hi, my name is Anika and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a burrito bowl. This is my dad's favorite dish and that's why I'm making it for Father's Day. I have made other dishes for Father's Day and I have uploaded all the videos for those dishes, so please go check those out. Anyways, to make the burrito bowl, you will need lettuce, rice, black and pinto beans, corn, which I've already grilled, pico de gallo, onions, cilantro, hot salsa, cheese, and sour cream. So first, I'm going to put in all the ingredients except the sour cream, which we're going to save to put on later. And I'm just going to add the salsa according to my taste, so add as much as you want. I'm just adding a little bit. And like I said earlier, we're going to save the sour cream to add in later. Now I'm just going to mix this all together. I forgot to say this earlier, but you should also add salt and pepper. Now I'm going to show you how to actually make the burrito bowl. So this is a quick and easy way to make it. You just need a tortilla. I'm using a 9-inch tortilla and some foil under it. So first I'm going to take some oil and drizzle it around and then spread it all over. And then I'm going to flip it and do the same on the other side. And now I'm just going to fold in the sides of the foil so that the sides of the tortilla doesn't get burnt. And then the corners. So the next step is you need a bigger bowl and a smaller bowl. So first I'm going to keep in the smaller bowl and kind of wrap the tortilla around it and then place it into the bigger bowl. These bowls also need to be oven safe. Now I'm going to place this into my air fryer. If you don't have one, you can always use an oven. Before I do that, I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees. Also, you need the bowl, the inner bowl, because it'll keep the shape. It'll help hold the shape on the inside. Then I'm going to put a timer for 5 minutes. Now that it's done, I'm going to take the aluminum foil out, and you need to really be careful because it's really hot. Now I'm going to put it back in and keep it at 375 degrees and leave it in for 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to take it out. It looks really crispy, and it looks like the shape held very well. Now it's time to serve it. So I'm going to first put in the burrito bowl mixture. And now I'm just going to add a dollop of the sour cream. And here's the final result of the burrito bowl. So like I said before, this is one of the Father's Day dishes that I've made. So I hope you check those out. Hope you check out all the other dishes that I've made. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!